Gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Comrade! Labor right, them a go down, bong. Them a go down, bong. Them a go down. Is that? Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. We now vote for Labour. Orange we a come out in now. If you love the PNP, who no step out for Marky G. Jamaica just come along with we. People time come, people time come, people time is up.
Only thing that's on my mind is who's gonna run this town tonight.
Yeah, I say that we are. Pledge your allegiance.
Who's gonna run this town tonight?
Yeah, I say that we are.
We gonna run this town.
Make the trumpets play. Make the trumpets play. Comrade leader Mark Jefferson Golding. Comrade Julian Robinson. Philip Baldwin. Colin Campbell. My counsel, Hubert Ryan Williams. Comrade councillors, comrade candidates, distinguished members on the platform, comrade workers, comrade warriors, comrade stalwarts of the Noble People's National Party. Good evening. I have a task this afternoon, this evening. The pleasure, the responsibility to introduce to you a vibrant, tenacious, accountable, dependable, altruistic candidate for Western St. Thomas who is declared to be the next member of Parliament for Western St. Thomas after the next general election. It was truly a blessed day when he was born right here in this parish, in Princess Margaret Hospital. His formative education began at the White Horses Basic School, the White Horses Primary and the Yasso Primary School, and then he went to the Morant Bay High School. His education continued at Elim Agricultural School, the College of Agriculture, Science and Education in Portland, and he later obtained a bachelor's degree in finance from Nova Scotia University and also master's in business administration, as well as a master's supply chain management from ENEB European Business School in Barcelona. A bright boy, yes, you know, brilliant boy, and a pian boy. His passion for the path he has chosen in life started when he was a young boy, when he began selling bag juice. Before we sell bag juice, and no one did look at extra money. And he sold bag juice at home to generate extra income for himself and his older brother. The experiences this gentleman has are no different from yours and mine. His formative years saw him going to the seaside with his grandmother, who was a fish vendor and a farmer. And he also reared goats. He attended church boy too. He attended church regularly with his father, who was a pastor. His passion for politics began as a small boy. He was about 8 years old when his grandmother carried him down to the foot of the hill in Botany Bay to see the great Michael Manley. That time he come and he talked to the people, he hugged the little babies as he always did, because he hugged me one time too. He fell in love with the People's National Party at that young age. He migrated to the United States where he tried his hand at many things, construction, carpentry, and he also owned businesses in distribution. Our MP Kennedy is not a thinker, man. Big man. His distribution company involved to serving as much as areas in Grenada, Dominica Republic, and St. Lucia. When he returned to Jamaica, he established an export business, which later grew into an agro-processing plant, where he currently employs more than 100 people in the parish. In 2012, he successfully contested and won the White Horses Division as councillor. And he has been an ardent and respected representative. As mayor, he brought real respect to the office of the mayor by cleaning up the township of Morants Bay, covering areas of the market, installing a town clock, and modernizing the Rudolph Park, Elder Park. And that is just to name a few. He is a deputy shadow spokesman on agriculture, a proven performer, a fearless man, a St. Thomas homeboy, a father, a lover of people, a real contributor to the development of St. Thomas, a champion for change, and an impartial man. Comrades, friends, voters of Western St. Thomas, please join me in welcoming the big man, Member of Parliament, the next Member of Parliament for Western St. Thomas,
See this one between the people of the world. See, and I'm so God bless no one person around. Make them know that. See? It's been held in your hands from the moment Brian wake up until he lays head. Oh, Ryan will sing of the goodness of God. All the lives that I've been fed.
The energy boss there, you know. And my thing can't get it, you know. So you know where to put some energy in that thing. Over. Pick up yourself, man. Love how you cheer the program. All the programs right around the country. My party leader, remember me tell you, about 2 years ago, when I watch all them football, but don't tell us you're the next Prime Minister of Jamaica. I'm going to tell you something. Believe what I say, man. I saw it all gone, man. You understand? Some of them know that. Comrade Powell, you don't know, say, I am the boss of the parish, parish manager, never let you up. Remember your born there, you know. So you don't know your place. Pick up yourself. Comrade Julia. Why? When we sit down and watch your presentation, it really shows class. Trust me. I like a bull to run with some amateur. I say I deal with them. Pick up yourself. PSP, love that. And of course, the birthday girl. You don't know, you know. I don't want to punch her like that, you know. I should lock them over east, you know. I mean, I lock them over west, you know. So Cheers, me say, big up myself. Rasta, deal man. Come right tip. They tell you, they give them a good run up in that Trinity. They were coming from 500 down. And they only a few digits left with them. But you don't know. They are going to win it for you, man. So don't worry yourself about it. You don't know you're the general, you know. Shake me on, man. I love safe on the stage. What an introduction, my comrade. I love it. Yeah, man. You really do justice to me. Come in, man. You don't need nobody to tell me something great, you know. You're not mommy, Ali, you know. You know something great, you know. So I love it, yeah. Comrade Bedford. Yeah, man. I'm a two-councillor candidate. Comrade Green, the love of your one love seafood. Comrade Green, the love of your one Yanis. Winning respect. But before we start, to the people of the White Horses Division, I must say thanks to you. Because it's because of you I am here tonight. White Horses Division recognize that they have a true champion and they have invest in a true champion, and because of that, Western St. Thomas will be a champion. But they have a team where we have to big up. We can't come on the stage and not bring up Comrade Scott because he's the hardest political worker I've ever known. Big up yourself. Comrade Machine. Comrade Morris. Who don't big up on yourself? Tonic, you know me all of you, you know. Can't afford tonic, you know. Always there beside me, you know. Lion soldier. I really care what the thing about the team, you know. No, I tell you, the team is very important. So, comrades, Western St. Thomas, comrades, thank you for accepting me. Because when Wally Pani my call, all of them said, you know what I mean? Said, a riot we want. Big up on yourself. Hold on, man. Camera lady, I tell me something I see yourself. Well, watch it. When Michael Jackson at work, you know, camera off work with him, you know. So please roll the camera with me. Listen up. We have started anyway. It is so sad that when I decide to run for member of parliament for Western St. Thomas, I just say this first, you know, come on, get this out of the way. The question, we have more about citizenship, man. We love Jamaica too much. So that wasn't done. But this was it now. Listen to this now. When we decide to run, the biggest question is not about if me could have beat James, it was about if me not afraid James kill me. No, that's the type of member party we have. Now let me tell you something. What do you think is political character now? Sister PT for one thing. In people say, we're not afraid of no boy, no girl, no way. You from school. I said, you said, you got your do. Someone can we like to shoot. I said, I let you make you do. So, we will never be afraid of no one. It is so sad that today we have put up a flag there. And the MP think it's so good or whatever to come and send out his councillors to put on their green flag as well. But let me tell you something. We never go fight them and we are there. Because you know what? When in the uptown, we there at St. Thomas. We can't kill people at St. Thomas. Our brother, we uncle, we mother, we father, we class. a St. Thomas, I'm a family. I'm here to big up all of my family. And all of you need to respect family. Cold-blooded murder, you listen to me when you require. Cold-blooded murder, shouldn't kill the innocent soldier. I tell them, I need some weep in the morning and say everybody said. So what me say? So when you see me put on a flyer, and when you hear me say, I will deliver St. Thomas from evil. And you know the evil what me attack. All of we know it. Who come from town, maybe don't know about it. We know the culture that exists here. We know say, from this LP come here, no industry, no sector has improved. None of them get bigger. The only sector will get bigger since this LP there. And funeral woman.
Today I want to talk to you about the importance of getting enumerated. Now, imagine looking around your constituency, your community, and identifying things that you want changed, but you don't have a say in making those changes. If you get registered to vote today or before March 31st, you'll become eligible to vote by May 31st. So I want to implore you to get on the voters list, get registered so that you can have a meaningful say in the changes that are effected in your constituency.
Me I practice my ex. Cause I want to make sure say my part don't spoil this election day. Long time them labor right there for gone, you know. Them two one caring man. Make sure say my mark the ex right there so. Cause I don't want the ballot spoil. See that ex yeah? For the teacher them wanna get them pay. You see that ex yeah? And for the people them want dead pan hospital bench cause they never have no bed. You see that ex yeah? And for the police them want work overtime and can't get them overtime pay. Yeah man, see how that ex yeah? And for the big salary what the politician them give themselves and I can give little salary to the people them. That ex right now, yeah. For the nurse them. The nurse them. Or if you work long hours and can't get no pay if you go off foreign to try to survive. You see, oh man, that ex yeah? This is because that time they didn't take the bulldozer and mash up the house them out of Clifton. You see that ex yeah? And the arrogance and the dictatorship where them try to run the country under. You see one there right there so? I feel all of the disrespect what they want to come give Jamaican. I make sure I say me mark my ex properly. Time come for a change. Time come for a better Jamaica.